Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox email verification. To know how to fix or how to solve account or email verification, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this window of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. When you find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.